Esse weekend, oh, day, oh, down in Coloane, down in Coloane, Rua da Flor de Merenda, a street in one oasis of Macau. Walking down Rua da Flor de Merenda. Rua da Flor de Merenda, yeah, yeah, Rua da Flor de Merenda in Macau, Rua da Flor de Merenda in Macau.
This street is called Flor. I gotta get out of the road here a little bit. So this street right here is called Flor de we're going to walk down it and we're going to kind of explain this a little bit, but we're in this area called One Oasis, and I'll explain all of it in a moment, but this is kind of what it looks like. That was the street sign. We were in the road, we had to get out of it. We're going to put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and this area is called One Oasis. So stay tuned and I'll explain it all in a moment. Up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So Rua de Flor de Merenda. So a lot of these are named after flowers. Let's just take a little look at this before we sneak across. We have some traffic, so they're probably wondering why I'm in this street. So let's get across here. I'll explain it all in a moment. So first off, we have all these tons and tons of apartments. So you can see kind of a wall of them around. They kind of go in a whole circle with this little space in the middle. So this is all something called One Oasis. So all of these apartments are quite large. This is a popular area for families. A lot of expats too. They're big, massive homes, nice kitchens and things like that. Okay, so we're going to be going down our target street, which is downhill. As an aside, it's kind of interesting because I do not see this up on the Google Maps, this of a reference to this particular street, and I think the main reason is because maybe the Google Maps has like a different thing for the streets here in One Oasis. But one thing that's interesting, this whole area has a lot of street names named after trees, and in this case I guess a flower. And sometimes they're like planted, so I don't know if this could be connected to the flower, to the name of the street, or something in these little areas here, this little flower bed. The other thing about this particular this neighborhood too is it's definitely a community. So as I walk onto the camera, I'm like constantly making eye contact with people, which is kind of unusual. Like I don't really feel that way in other parts of the city. Let me see what this is right here. This could be like connected to a bus stop or something like that. We're gonna keep on walking. And this street, let me just kind of see what these other things are. This looks like it goes to a parking garage, I believe. So sunny. Let's go across and we'll try to see. Yeah, I guess this is all one big parking garage right there. We can also see like how big all these apartments are as well. And then this street right there, I think these are like little tiny mansion kind of things. It's like something called Alamanda. Let me try to go. Okay, so yeah, this is all like One Oasis. It's basically a community of a lot of expats and families, like and then not too far away you can see some casinos. So straight ahead there's Galaxy Casino, like past this little space in here. There's Galaxy Casino, Studio City, Venetian, and we have the big sign right here too called Grand Oasis. So yeah, one of the things about this particular neighborhood is you'll see a lot of families. So I usually don't ever film in this area, and I think I filmed all the streets in here, so I probably won't come down here again unless it changes in the near future. there are these bike paths, so these bike paths go all the way down. And then there's also it's gonna capture the side of that. Flor de Merenda. There's Playa Park straight this way. That's another community, but this one is the more elite or more expensive one. And then this little path right here, these little green paths that go this way, these are like a bike path. So we're gonna follow that just a tiny little bit. And then people can take this bike path all the way to the ocean.
Still very sleepy, right? Yeah.
And you see the sun kind of coming down as well. So yeah, this whole area is called One Oasis, and I guess we're gonna come to an ending. But that's kind of what it looks like. All these tall apartments everywhere. Okay. And now we're on our bike path. All right, Slices of Macau. One Oasis.